Meditation for beginners isn't what you think. You don't need to clear your mind. You don't need to sit in a lotus position, buy special equipment, or disappear to a mountain retreat. Meditation is simple. And I'm going to show you exactly how to start today. In the next few minutes, you'll learn the biggest myths holding you back, why it actually works for stress and sleep, how to meditate for just 5 minutes and actually feel the difference. Let's go. First, why should you even meditate? The science is clear. Meditation changes your brain. Studies show regular meditation increases gray matter in your prefrontal cortex. It shrinks your amygdala. Translation: you become naturally calmer. Your nervous system learns to relax. What does this mean for you practically? People who meditate regularly report 40 to 50% reduction in anxiety, better sleep, falling asleep faster and sleeping deeper, improved focus and mental clarity, more resilience when facing stress, less reactive emotional responses. And here's the beautiful part. You don't need years of practice to feel these benefits. Research shows even 5 minutes daily for just 2 weeks produces measurable changes. So this isn't a long-term investment with no payoff. This is a short-term practice with fast, real results. Now let's get practical. Here's exactly how to meditate, even if you've never done it before. Step 1. Choose where. Find a quiet, comfortable place. Your bedroom, a corner of your living room, outside on a bench. Doesn't matter, just quiet and comfortable. If you live with roommates or family, just let them know you're meditating for 5 minutes. Most people respect that. Step 2. Sit comfortably. You don't need to sit cross-legged. Sit in a chair with feet flat on the ground, or lie down on your bed, or sit on a cushion. The goal is comfortable and upright enough that you don't fall asleep. Step 3. Set a timer for 5 minutes. That's it, just 5 minutes. Not 20, not 30. 5. Consistency beats duration, every time. Step 4. Close your eyes. Step 5. Focus on your breath. Don't try to breathe special. Don't try to do anything. Just breathe normally and notice it. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Notice the sensation of breath entering your body. Notice your chest rising and falling. That's the entire technique. Step 6. When your mind wanders, and it will, notice it and gently bring attention back to breath. This is not a failure. This is the practice. Your mind wandering plus bringing it back equals meditation. You're exercising your attention muscle. After 5 minutes, open your eyes. That's one meditation session. Before you start, I want to address the biggest mistakes beginners make. Mistake number 1. I'm not good at meditation because my mind wanders. Stop. Your mind is supposed to wander. That's literally the point. Meditation is noticing when your mind wanders and bringing it back. If your mind didn't wander, there'd be nothing to practice. Mistake number 2. I need to meditate for 30 minutes to get benefits. Wrong. 5 minutes daily is infinitely better than 30 minutes once a month. Start with 5. Stay consistent. You can increase later if you want. Mistake number 3. I need the perfect quiet place, cushion, and setup. You don't. Beginners get paralyzed by perfection. Meditate in your chair, in your bed, on a park bench. Start imperfectly, get consistent, optimize later. Mistake number 4. Meditation didn't work. I didn't feel amazing after. Meditation isn't always blissful. Sometimes it's uncomfortable, noticing your stress. Sometimes it's boring, noticing you have nothing interesting happening. The benefits come from consistency, not from feeling great each session. Keep going. So here's what I want you to do. Starting today, commit to 5 minutes of meditation. Just 5. Do it every day for 7 days. By day 3, you'll notice something. By day 7, it's becoming a habit. Best time? Morning. Sets your tone for the day. or evening winds down your nervous system. But really, consistency matters more than timing. If you want more structure and guidance, I recommend starting with a guided meditation. By clicking on the card right here, you'll find a guided meditation video from our channel. It will guide you through every step, so you don't have to think. You just press play and follow along. If you found this helpful, there is plenty more to explore right here on the channel. We have a variety of videos covering related topics on mental wellness and focus. Hit that subscribe button to join our community, and let's build these healthy habits together.